No key. No start. Keys. 6th time. 7th. 8th. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. Key in car. 17. 18. 19. 20. Biggest piece of junk, Ford. Thank you. 21. 22. 23. Not starting.
Leave that door open.
Yeah, I know. Daddy's car won't start. 23. 24. 25. 26. Car not starting. Open the door. Keys. Nothing. Piece of junk. "30 pushes of the ignition and nothing. Keys are in car. Nothing. Key will not go. Car will not start. Push the key, the button over 30 times now. No start. 31. 32. Unbelievable. Key. Key. Car won't start.
How is it going to get to Atwood?
I don't know. Car won't start.
Go tell Mommy. Go tell Mommy you don't get it. Go tell Mommy, Dad.
Just a minute. Key in car. Been sitting here for almost 10 minutes. 4 minutes on video. And it finally starts.